Viewers all over the world, whatever situation you are in, are you sick? Are you facing challenges in your business, in your home, facing challenge in your career, in your finances? Be rescued in the name of Jesus. I say to your finances, be rescued in the name of Jesus. I say to your business, be rescued in the name of Jesus. I say to your career, be rescued in the name of Jesus. I say to your destiny, be rescued in the name of Jesus. Yes. Never a situation Jesus cannot rescue. When Jesus says yes, no one can say no. I say to you, viewers all over the world, your business, your career, your marriage, your home, I say your health, whatever sickness, I mean infirmity, whatever kind, whatever name they call it, be rescued in the name of Jesus. Be rescued in the name of Jesus. This is the voice from God. I can hear rescue. I can hear rescue. When Jesus said rescue, who can say no? I can hear rescue. I can hear rescue. Rescue. Viewers all over the world, let me hear you say breakthrough. 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 In Jesus' name. Give thanks to God.
Rendez grâce à Dieu. Demos gracias.